I've just done a little bit more work on this lathe now. I've skimmed the back of the chuck up, and if you look at the dial gauge now, the full markings are actually 1 thou. So I'm getting about 5/10 deflection now, which isn't bad at all for a generic chuck. So that's one little bit sorted. We'll just get another bit now. Right, here we go, showing how Darren's lathe now cuts. This is using tungsten tooling. I'm sure once you get onto high speed steel, it'll give even a better finish. I'll just take the speed up a little bit. There we go. And finished. Not much wrong with that.